Hi everyone, how you guys are doing? Alright, this blog video me like walking blog educational purpose to sol. Ben long this blog video but you can kiss and password long all the white price long you made long whenever you buy stop close to Lawrence blue but you can kiss him. So stop man blue less long connect one time you long hotspot blue na mo connect him Maria ta sol long access internet this blog help you long Rosen password to tamu blue na but you can connect long hotspot long. I got plenty all apps stop long Play Store but all this me looking all in alright. What you by making by you downloading one plus specific app whereby me talking you now. Display app install bridge Wi-Fi map. You can go download and install a Play Store and contain him heads too. Time you install him insta bridge finish, just wait long come in. Login now. Open him, login, put him password play long email address or get something, you login, go inside. You by put in precise location, now you start. Time you finish now Wi-Fi by looking more at the list blow Wi-Fi go say install orange blue you and more by come up. So which one you like is him you by watch him 2 ads location as developer upload display app and set him finish long me make him alcatel 1L after load 2 heads and display come up now. Tasol by you sim password long all Wi-Fi now but you can use him free. But display me talk gain display blow educational purpose. No can run on na take it on this long all password long all narbla line number na use him free Wi-Fi long. You blog at good on now. See you guys in the next video. Bye.